Hey everybody, it's Lon Simon. We've got another unboxing of something that we're going to review in a couple of days. This is the Nokia Sleep. And in full disclosure, Nokia has sponsored stuff on my YouTube channel in the past. They are not sponsoring this unboxing nor the review I'm about to do. In fact, this came in free of charge through the Amazon Vine program. And what this device does is that it sits under your mattress and measures your sleep. And apparently, it can also do your heart rate through that. And I don't know how it's going to measure heart rate through a mattress, but we will see in the full review that we'll have up very shortly on my main channel at lon.tv. Now, my plan is to get a new mattress at my house. So I want to start collecting data on my sleep with the current one to see if the new one is better or not. And that is part of what I'm going to be using this for. So here we've got the instruction book that talks about how this thing works. So yep, looks like it goes right underneath the mattress there, and you pair it up with your phone using the Nokia app, and you go from there. So we'll have to see how all this works. It does have an air bladder in it. I'm not sure exactly how this thing works, but as I start using it, I will undoubtedly figure it out. So this is the pad itself, and like I said, you put this under the mattress completely, and then the USB cable here goes to the power adapter, and it's got a nice braided cable like some of those more premium phone charging cables that are out there. So that's what it looks like there. Not much to it. And then here we have, I believe, the power adapter, which you plug into the pad. Yep, there we go. Just a simple power adapter in here. And I think that is it. There isn't anything else in there. That is it. So what I'm going to do is plug in this thing and get to sleep in a little bit, and we'll see exactly how well this thing works. I'm really curious as to how it can detect heart rate through a mattress, unless maybe it relies on something else. So I'll let you know how it all comes together here, and look for a review coming up probably next week. So I want to have a couple of days of sleep here so I can understand how it all works. So stay tuned. More to come on my main channel at lon.tv.
This channel is brought to you by the lon.tv supporters, including gold level supporters of the Black Eyed and Blues Music Hour podcast, Chris Allegretta, and Kalyan Kumar. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.